Hello. Hi, Mia. Say hi. Today she's gonna try her first type of fish, which is salmon. Don't do that. Don't do that. Lando, you're nasty. Here. Yeah.
Salmon. The wonderful world of fish.
You get it now? Yeah? Come on. No one.
Dun, dun, dun.
No? Try again.
I know it's a little bit different, but you're gonna love it. I know you are.
Here.
I bet you if it was crab legs, she would eat it with some butter on it. Mmm.
Well, she's too baby for that. She doesn't know the difference. Yeah?
Mia, so what's the verdict? On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what do you think?
Let's give another.
One more bite.
Mia.
Hey, she's eating it.
She's eating it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's an acquired taste.
Yeah, it's different. Come on, Mama.
Wow, you're giving her all of that? That's a lot.
Only this.
She's looking at it now and she's eating it. So I think she has figured out that she likes it. You figured out that you like it?
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Last.
We figured out that Chica likes to lick her paw. Ain't that right, Chica? Yes.
Oh no!
She dropped it?
Yeah.
Alright, so fish is a maybe. Yeah, fish is a maybe.
Yeah, I think she will